Hi, I'm Heather with Car Seat Site. I'm a child passenger safety technician and instructor, and I'm here with the Doona infant car seat and stroller. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the Doona, how to install it without the base using the European belt path. In order to get started with this installation, the first thing we have to do is put the handle into an upright position. So we're going to do this. And it always gets caught on the canopy, so just be aware of that. Okay, tuck that canopy back. There we go. And then pull it forward like this. And what this does is this opens up our belt path for us. The belt path is actually going through the handle right here. And so we need to have that belt path right here because it's going, the lap belt of the seat belt is going to go right across the seat just like that. So we get it squared away on the seat just like this. We're going to take the seat belt and you can see that the lap belt fits just through here, and I'm going to take the lap belt and put it through the other side like that, and then I'm just going to set the seat belt right there. I'm not going to buckle it in. I'm not going to do anything else. The reason I stop right there is because my seatbelt is very short. If I were to buckle it in at this point, I wouldn't be able to take the shoulder belt and wrap it around the front of the seat. So I need to stop. Now, I want to show you what I'm going to be doing with that shoulder belt. There is a clip right here at the front of the seat. This is where the shoulder belt is going to go. This is the European belt clip, so the shoulder belt gets routed through that clip, and that clip is going to hold the shoulder belt for us. And get that tucked back in. So we try and keep the seat belt from twisting, and right now my seatbelt is pulled out all the way, and so that it's really important at this point that I don't let the seatbelt retract back in, because as soon as I lose that length, I am not going to be able to get it buckled in. So I hold that. If you feel like you can't hold it out, you can bring like a chip clip or something and just clip it right there so that it won't go back in. And now I'm just going to tuck this into this clip back here, and that's it. Now what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to hold this and I'm going to reach over and buckle the seat belts. Okay, and that pretty much takes up the entire length of the seat belt. And then I just let it retract. Now the car seat is going to move a little bit. And especially with longer seat belts, if you do this with a longer seat belt, it's going to move a lot. We want this to move 1 inch or less, just like installing it with the base. So what we need to do is we need to feed the seat belt, get all that slack back into the retractor. Keeping in mind that there is a belt guide or a recline guide right here. So we want this recline indicator right here to be level with the ground. So mine looks like it's a little bit upright. It looks more like this, I'm exaggerating, more like this, and we want it to be level to the ground. So I'm going to take the seat, make sure that it's more level, there we go, because again, we need to maintain the airway of the baby inside. So we make sure it's level, and now we want to make sure that we're getting that seatbelt tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach around and I'm going to grab the shoulder belt portion on the other side. And I'm going to grab it and I'm going to pull it tight. And what I'm doing is I'm grabbing the slack out of the lap belt. So it's pulling the lap belt tight, and then I'm going to pull that slack. See all that slack that pulled? And I'm pushing it into here. And then test for tightness right here at the belt path, and you can see that's really quite snug. And so side to side, front to back, and that's all it took. When you do this technique, give it a practice for a few times, you'll get it down and it'll take you 30 seconds or less. And so it's great, very useful for ride shares, putting this in friends and families' car, friends and families, friends' cars, family cars, and so on. So it's a really, really neat technique to use. To uninstall the seat, when it's installed Euro style like this, simply hold on to the seat belt here, reach around and unbuckle. And then just pull it around from the front. And there's a bump out here in this belt clip. So the seat belt wants to get caught on that. So just make sure that you just reach around, pull that through, and then the seat belt will come out. And then just make sure that as it retracts back into the retractor, it's not twisting. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like it and subscribe to the Car Seat Site channel.